The Corsair Frame 4000 DRS ARGB is a strong contender in the mid-range PC case market, offering a mix of thoughtful design, solid build quality, and competitive pricing that appeals to both gamers and PC builders on a budget. Priced at $109.99, this case is an excellent choice for those looking to build a system that balances performance, aesthetics, and functionality without breaking the bank. At first glance, the standout feature of the 4000 DRS ARGB is its unique floating front face. The Y-patterned, semi-floating metal mesh grille gives the case a modern, distinctive look, setting it apart from other mid-tower cases. While the front feet appear to be part of a tubular frame, they are purely aesthetic, with the actual face being a molded plastic piece. Still, the attention to detail in the design is evident, from the Corsair logo on the tempered glass side panel to the white backing on the perforated section of the lower side panel. It's a design that looks more expensive than it is. Internally, the 4000 DRS ARGB offers great flexibility. The case supports ATX, micro ATX, and mini IDX motherboards, with ample room for up to two 360mm radiators, one at the top and one at the front. This makes the 4000 DRS ARGB a solid choice for those planning to incorporate liquid cooling into their builds. The front fan mounting system, Corsair's InfiniRail, provides flexibility with the ability to mount three 120mm or two 140mm fans, though accessing the screws for adjustments can be a bit cumbersome due to the design of the front panel. The case comes pre-equipped with three 120mm ARGB fans, which is a nice touch considering the price point. These fans provide solid airflow and can be customized to add some extra flair to your system. However, one notable drawback is the lack of a rear exhaust fan, which would have been a welcome addition to improve overall airflow without requiring additional purchases. Another design consideration is the placement of the front I/O ports at the bottom of the case. While this may feel unconventional, it suits users who prefer their tower placed on a desk rather than on the floor. The front panel includes two USB Type-A ports, a USB Type-C port, and an audio jack, making it well-equipped for modern peripherals. On the downside, the steel panels feel somewhat flimsy compared to more premium cases, and while this doesn't significantly detract from its performance, it's something to keep in mind. The back panel features a dual-pattern fan mount for either 120mm or 140mm fans, along with slots to adjust fan positioning, making it adaptable for different cooling configurations. The PSU mounting area offers two sets of holes to accommodate ATX power supplies mounted either fan up or fan down. Ultimately, the Corsair Frame 4000 DRS ARGB is an excellent value at its price, offering solid cooling options, good design, and enough features to make it a great choice for those building a custom PC. While its build quality could be improved in a few areas, it still provides strong competition to similarly priced cases from brands like NZXT and Cooler Master. Whether you're a first-time builder or a seasoned pro looking for an affordable, stylish case, the 4000 DRS ARGB has plenty to offer.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.